Are you tired of juggling multiple suppliers and service providers for your cleaning and staffing needs in the food and hospital industry? Look no further than Azoss, your one-stop shop for everything you need to keep your business running smoothly. Our supply and distribution business unit is stocked with a wide range of high-quality cleaning products, including detergents, disposables, machines, tools, and paper products. No more wasting time and effort managing multiple suppliers. With Azoss, you can find everything you need in one place. Plus, all of our products are carefully selected to ensure they meet the highest standards of effectiveness and safety. In addition to our products, we also offer professional staffing services for commercial kitchens, restaurants, hotels, and more. Our team of baristas, waiters, chefs, and cleaners are highly trained and reliable, so you can trust us to provide top-quality service for your business. With Azoss, you get the convenience of a one-stop shop for all your cleaning and staffing needs, as well as the peace of mind that comes from working with a professional and reliable company. So if you're in the food and hospital industry, why wait? Take the first step towards streamlining your operations and improving your marketing, sales, and brand awareness by contacting us today. Don't miss out on this opportunity to simplify your business and take it to the next level. Contact us now and see the difference we can make for you.